Today I came live to share a few facts about the current situation of our country. The whole world is suffering from the pandemic of coronavirus, that is COVID-19, and in our country the situation has become worse due to the unplanned lockdown that was imposed all of a sudden and had created a havoc among our countrymen. We had seen all of a sudden our industries, business and everything had came into a halt. As a result, millions of workers, small scale businessmen have left with no work, and the migrant workers, those working on other states, were forced to return to their home, and we have seen that the government has no plan to bring them back. As a result, they were forced to walk back to their home for hundreds of miles, and we have seen many of them died on their way back. So I would like to request the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to take such decisions after having discussed with the experts in future. Moreover, I would like to request the government to provide at least rupees 7,500 to every poor families for the next 6 months and rupees 10,000 in the first month to overcome this crisis. Modi ji, millions of people of our country is starving and hundreds are committing suicide. A man named Haider Ali of our constituency has committed suicide for the same reason. I would urge the government to take necessary steps to bring back the migrant laborers and the students that are stuck due to this sudden lockdown. During the Congress government, a scheme, namely MGNREGA, was launched to provide at least 100 days of work to the jobless and the poor peoples of our country. As there are millions left without any work due to this pandemic, I would like to request our Prime Minister to provide at least 200 days of work to the jobless people under the MGNREGA and help them to provide food and other necessities of their family. At last, I would also strongly condemn the decision of the government in this lockdown to provide and sell the oil fields of Assam to privatization of the oil fields and issuing order to coal mining in the Dihing Patkai. We, the people of Assam, strongly condemn these acts of our government and request the government to immediately stop this. At last, I would like to request everyone to stay home and stay safe, because if we stay home, we will keep our family safe and our surroundings, and thus help our Corona warriors who are working hard to overcome the situation, and hope normalcy will return soon. Thank you.